Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruby. If this is your first time here, then you are surely welcome. In this tutorial, we are going to be creating this gorgeous, easy green eyeshadow look together, and I'm also going to share with you guys some eyeshadow tips and tricks that you may and may not know about. By the end of this video, you guys will know how to work with green eyeshadow and also use the guide I will be sharing to create any look of your choice. So guys, if you are not yet part of my YouTube family, please subscribe, like this video, share with your friends, and leave down your comments. So to be able to apply your eyeshadow, you need to prep your eyelids, and you can do this using your concealer or an eyeshadow primer. You need this because you need to create an even and smooth canvas for your eyeshadow. So you need to cover up any dark spots or pigmentation around this area. So I'm just going to conceal under my brows first and then walk downwards into my eyelids. Someone might be asking, what is an eyeshadow primer? These are eyeshadow primers that you get in your beauty store, and they work just like a face primer. You apply this to prep your eyelids before your eyeshadow. And you might also be asking, how do I apply my eyeshadow primer? I will answer your question right now. When working with concealers, I like to apply the concealer straight onto my beauty sponge and then using tapping motion to tap this on my eyelid, and this covers up any discoloration on my eyes. If you're in Nigeria, you need to try out the classic makeup eye primer. Now, when working with eyeshadow primers, smooth a small amount of eyeshadow primer onto the entire lid with your fingertips, blending up and out toward the brow. Try to apply as close to the lash line as the shade of this eyeshadow is Sunflower, which reminds me of the Post Malone and Swally song Sunflower. If you know that song, comment down below Sunflower, okay? Now, how do you blend your eyeshadow using your blending brush? You can use swiping motion or circular motions to blend in your transition shade. A mixture of both makes your blending process easier. For effective and smooth blending, you need to hold your brush the right way. Holding it like this, like a pencil, is wrong. You need to stay away from this place and put your hands down to the ends of your blending brush. This way your blending brush does the blending for you. You might find yourself naturally applying less pressure on the brush head and making nice soft circles with the bristles. Still using circular motions, I am going to do this until the transition color is nicely diffused. When working with matte eyeshadows, you need to tap in the color and not swipe it in. If you are working with shimmers, then you can swipe the colors, but matte eyeshadows, you tap in the color. There are some days that I get confused or don't even know what to create or which eyeshadow colors to work with. So guess what I do? I go to nature. I look at my trees, my flowers, everything that nature has to offer, and I get inspired just by looking at all those things. For example, this look that I am doing, I saw the yellow in my trees, the green and the white, and I decided to create a look from those colors. So next time you are confused or you find yourself in a position where you can't get inspiration to create an eyeshadow look, just go into nature. So if you are getting value from this content and you've gotten far into this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave down your comments and also share with your friends so they can benefit from this video also. And if you are not part of my YouTube family, then please join us by subscribing to my channel. Click on that subscribe button there and also click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new videos. For beginners, it's best to do your eye makeup first to avoid mistakes and fallouts. If you do your eye makeup first and you have any fallouts from the eyeshadow, you can easily wipe those off. But if you do your face first, your foundation, your concealer and everything, and you do your eyeshadow, then you have fallouts, it will be hard to take them off. So next time when doing your makeup, start with your eyeshadow first. Now that I am done with my eyes, I am going to do the rest of my makeup off camera, and this is it. I'm sorry about the lighting. I'm using natural light and it is about to rain, so this is why the video is like this. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and till next time, bye.